Hi all, welcome to Spices and More. Today's recipe is scrumptious Kesar Rava Laddu, easy to make with very few ingredients and is awesome snack specially loved and relished by kids. One of my subscribers has requested me for this recipe, so this recipe is for her and also to my beautiful friends. So let's quickly see what all we need to make these laddus. Here I have heated a pan and I have taken 1 cup of fine rava. If you have the thick rava, then please grind it and then use it. Roast it thoroughly. Now there are some points which you need to take care while you are making these laddus. Firstly, you need to keep the flame on low and roast the rava thoroughly. If you keep the flame on high or on medium, the rava will burn very fast. Next, you need to roast this rava till the raw smell from the rava disappears and you get the light brown in color. It shouldn't be too much brownish, just a light texture of brown color. So these points you take in mind and then start roasting your rava. As you go further, you will see that the rava will become very light and it will slowly start changing the color. After roasting for about 3 to 4 minutes, I am adding in 1/4 cup of almond flour. If you don't have the almond flour, you can completely skip this. It just adds some extra flavor in the laddus. Now mix it thoroughly with the rava and roast further. This entire process of roasting took me for about 10 to 15 minutes. Be very patient when you are doing this laddus, as someone has rightly said that cooking is an art, but you can master this art only if you have patience. Now as you can see, the rava has turned light brown in color. So now I'll be adding in 1/4 cup of ghee. I didn't use the entire half cup ghee, I used 1/4 cup first, and if required I'll use further. Then roast it again. And please keep in mind I kept the flame on low in this entire process. Now after about 12 to 15 minutes, you will get this texture of rava, that is light brown in color, yet the raw smell from the rava has disappeared completely. And the rava is roasted thoroughly. Now remove it from the hot pan and transfer it into a plate. Let it cool down for a while. Till then, let's make the sugar syrup. Here I have heated a pan and added 1 cup of sugar. Then I added half cup of water. You can add up to 3/4 cup also. I mean 3/4 cup of sugar. The water quantity will remain the same. Now let the sugar dissolve completely into the water. You may need to get that one string consistency. This will take you for about 5 to 6 minutes, again on the low flame. Here I am adding in the kesar strands since we are making kesar rava laddu. Mix this thoroughly. The sugar will start getting thicker. After some time, I'll be adding in 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder for the flavor. Give it a mix. Now it's watery consistency, but it will come to one string very soon. So now as you can see, this is the one string consistency which you can see on the screen, We have to reach to this consistency and then switch off the flame. Don't cook beyond this, otherwise the laddus will become very hard. Now switch off the flame and add the roasted rava. Mix this rava thoroughly with the sugar syrup, and now as you can see it's in runny consistency, but in some time the rava will absorb all the sugar syrup. So close the lid and keep it for about 20 minutes, and when it is slightly warm, then start molding the laddus. Don't wait until it cools down completely, then it will be difficult to get the shape of laddus. So now as you can see, I'm molding the laddus. You can give them any shape or desired size. This is one more method of rolling between your palm. Smoothen out the surface and now garnish it with nuts of your choice. I'm garnishing it with pistachios. And a yummy, delicious, mouth-watering Kesar Rava laddu is ready to be served. These laddus are one of our best childhood memories, prepared with so much love and affection by our grandmothers and mothers. So sometimes it feels good to live and relish those memories again. With this note, I hope you liked today's recipe. If so, then please comment down below with your valuable suggestions and queries if any. Hit that like button, share this video with your loved ones, and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed so far. See you in my next videos, and thanks for watching.